In this video segment, I'm going to show you two different ways on how you can put your 2015 Chevrolet Equinox into gear. If you find your Equinox stuck in gear, this video will help you to release your gear shift lever and to get your vehicle to a safe destination. I'm going to show you two different ways on how you can put your vehicle in gear. I recommend using a plastic gasket scraper, but in this case, as you can see with this vehicle, I'm going to have to use a metal gasket scraper just to break loose the Coca-Cola stains and any other stains. All right, you want to just apply the gasket scraper up against the clips to pop the trim. Make sure you do not damage the trim. Just work around it. It kind of make you wonder, is this the reason why it's not working? Just take your time. You don't want any more damage added to this task. Wish I had some gloves. Normally I work with gloves. All right, remove your trim. There is a clip right here. Have to look very closely. We need a screwdriver, medium-sized screwdriver. Mine's a little large, but it'll do. And just press down on that clip. Once you press down, put your foot on the brake. Turn on your ignition switch. You can start the vehicle if you choose to do so. Push down on the clip. You can release your gear shift lever. Just continue to hold the screwdriver down. This is one way to release the gear shift lever. There is another way. You can go over to the passenger side, release this panel. You can just pull it out. No tools are needed, especially in an emergency. There is a clip right here. You still need that screwdriver. You can press on this clip, push it back. By you being on the passenger side, it is very important that you have your parking brake engaged. Release the gear shift lever. So that's two different ways you can actually do it. Now you know both. This will help you to get your vehicle to a safe destination or a repair shop for proper repair. I will say, if your vehicle is clean, you are already doing a great job. Take care and God bless.